Let's analyze how to best hire a land surveyor for OpenAreas Incorporated, a company that surveys rugged mountainous terrain. The position has several key requirements. First, candidates must have a college degree in surveying. The job requires extensive mathematical skills. Good communication skills are essential. And given the rugged terrain, physical stamina is crucial. Let's examine four possible combinations of assessment methods to evaluate candidates. Option 1 includes references, paper and pencil personality tests, and physical ability tests. While this combination can assess personality traits and physical abilities, it lacks a direct measure of mathematical skills and communication abilities. Option 2 combines interviews, paper and pencil ability tests, and physical ability tests. This provides a comprehensive assessment of all required skills: mathematical ability through tests, communication through interviews, and stamina through physical assessments. Option 3 includes interviews and both personality and ability tests. While this covers cognitive and personality aspects, it doesn't assess physical stamina, which is crucial for the terrain. Option 4 combines references, interviews, and ability tests. While this assesses many aspects, it also lacks physical stamina evaluation. Therefore, Option 2 provides the most comprehensive assessment approach for the land surveyor position. It effectively evaluates all required qualities: mathematical ability, communication skills, and physical stamina,